Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make the Toyota Supra logo. We will begin by understanding the logo's unique characteristics, like its custom handwritten-style script. Then, we will gather essential reference images to ensure accuracy in our design. Finally, we will select the best digital tools, such as vector graphics software, to start our creative process effectively. Now, let's dive into crafting the distinctive Supra wordmark. The logo features a custom, handwritten-style cursive font with letters that are flattened, interconnected, and slightly tilted. Pay close attention to the S, which resembles a winding road, and ensure smooth transitions between all characters. Maintaining consistent line thickness throughout the wordmark is crucial for a professional finish. To truly bring your Supra logo to life, we will enhance its visual details. Apply a subtle three-dimensional effect to add depth and dimension, making the logo pop. Next, incorporate a metallic or chrome gradient, often seen in official emblems, for a realistic and premium finish. You might also consider a slight upward curve to the baseline, emphasizing the car's dynamic and speedy nature. For our final steps, we will meticulously review and prepare your Supra logo for use. Carefully check for any inconsistencies in shape, color, or letter spacing to ensure perfection. Export your finished design in multiple versatile formats, including PNG for web, SVG for scalability, and JPEG for general use. This ensures your logo maintains its quality across various applications, from small decals to large prints.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.